Okay, ZZ Customs. This is my 03 Grand Am. I put 2 sets of heads on it and alternator and a few water pump and a few other stuff. I says, but I want to twin turbo it. But I want to use pretty much the same routing systems. Yeah, that idea ain't gonna work. Well, it might. It might. But anyways, what I was thinking, since you got the starter here, you got the battery here, I didn't consider the battery relocation that you mentioned, but that would probably be a good idea. But what I was thinking was taking the back intake off or exhaust off and putting it up front, which would put the exhaust or put the turbo right here with the 4-bolt adapter to it, which would put it right here. I'd have the blower part of it come up, and well, there's gonna be fans there. Or come down. Could come down and go up, and then come in the front here, and then back up around here. Now the back one, I'm looking at maybe instead of being straightforward, moving it up and tucking it to the block on this one. So when this one's exhaust and that one's exhaust comes down, it comes down in the stock location. Now, and then probably taking the same route. With the blower part of it and bringing it down up underneath here. Since there's a lot of room there in between the cradle, this being the cradle and this being the open. And then I think you're right, it could come up through here and enter over into here. It is a tight fit, unless there's a way you could put both of them up front but have the back feed the other one up front and then run everything that way, but I just don't see it happening. Unless what I do is go with the bigger turbo and have that custom one made, have a bigger turbo, and then this one go ahead and feed that and then go back in through the stock. Because I plan on putting, it was a single muffler, so I plan on putting a dual stainless steel all the way through it. Or single all the way to the back where it splits off into duals. But my initial plan, I didn't take this into consideration, so oops. But anyways, that's my idea. Now that I actually got looking to it, it kind of looks like a shitty idea, doesn't it? There might be. But anyways, that's my idea. This is my 2003 Pontiac Grand Am. It was a good car until it wasn't. I did this when I was moving that big dually over there. It swung too wide and caught the fender. So, but anyways, alright, there it is. My next one that I want to also do, but I want to put a Zuzu motor in this one. is this 1987 Camaro. Oh, hold on. I want to replace this with a 3.5 liter Zuzu dual overhead cam motor. Complete upgrade. It'd be cruise control, motor, tranny, you name it. It's going to be all upgraded. Fuse box. And then of course I want a twin turbo that, which I'll have plenty of room here. A lot of this shit right here is going to be gone. So I mean, how I have plenty of room here to do that. So that's a future project. And then if I'm not satisfied with that setup, and that setup's more or less just to be different. But if I'm not satisfied with that setup, then I've got the bad boy. I've got a 4.3 out of a 98 Chevy, partial wire and harness. The guy did a hack job on it when he pulled it. And that, and I got a 99 60 LE up there that's going to get a stage 2, maybe a stage 3 shift kit in it. I think I'll be all right with the stage 2 though. And that's what's going to go in it. I want to keep a fuel injection, but I am really seriously thinking about having something custom made up on top if I can't find it. I love the duals and triples, so we'll see. But anyways, all right, that's my video. Thank you very much. Bye.